Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the JEFOO modern floating sunglasses. We're going to open them up, show you what they look like, test them out, and of course let you know whether or not they're worth buying.
All right, so as we get these out of the box, they come with a nice little case here. Inside the case, you'll find a little kind of thank you note from them, cleaning cloth, and of course a bag with it, and your sunglasses. They are going to be plastic based. The idea being that they can kind of float here. We've got very lightweight glasses. I got to be honest with you. Rubberized nose pads, rubberized. I don't know if you'll be able to see this or not, but try and give you. There we go. Rubberized by the ears so that they stay on, and flexible, lightweight. They look great. I'm gonna try them on first in here, show you what they look like, and then I'll try them on outside after testing them for kind of the job of blocking the sun. All right, so they do a really nice job of covering the face well. Super comfortable, very lightweight, no issues on the nose or anything like that. So we'll go ahead and try them on outside. All right, so these give a very comfortable feel. They do a really nice job protecting from the sun. Sunny day, and honestly, it does help without having with having these on versus not having them on. I'm not sure if this is water or a floater or not. I would think that it would actually just seep through and sink. So just don't try that out. But these we're going to test out a little bit and see if they float in a little in my sink, because I don't have a. They're going to go to the lake or to go to the beach, one of the two or both, and we'll test them out there. But probably not on video here. I'm going to test them out real quick here so that you guys can see and test whether or not they do the job. But as far as the sun test, they're great. So let's test them out in water, and then we'll finish up. All right, so let's test them out. And the most realistic consideration I can think of is like literally being on a boat, having them fly off my face, or hitting a wave and the wave taking it off my face or something like that. So I'm just going to flop these in the water and see how they do, and I'm going to time it to see if they float and how long they last for. If it's obviously for more than like 10-15 seconds, we'll be good. So we flopped them in, and they do kind of have a floating appeal to them. As you can see, they're moving, but they're kind of not. Like the backs stay up, and they are floating a little bit. It's not like a dead float on the water, but they're also not completely sinking. As I don't know if you can tell or not, but this is up, and I'll try and zoom in on that a little bit. Just show you that it's kind of, you see the reflection. That's because it's peeking out of the water, the little edges here. So super hard to find if I'm in an ocean or a lake, frankly, but in a pool, no brainer that they're going to stay up and float. Again, it's kind of just one of those things where I think these are really floaty, and I mean, it's literally staying above. So it's not like, I know this is in the deepest water in the world to demonstrate with, but it is kind of staying up. So it's actually not doing a bad job. So it's not about time. It looks like it'll just stay up there. The key consideration is just, you're going to have to find these little, the backs to the sunglasses. So to me, that's a nice bonus. Definitely worth buying. Hopefully that review helped. Thanks for watching.